pops in. Oh, thanks for reminding me, Xtrail. Disconnect the battery. Here we are again, Dave's Garage. I've got a new to me steering wheel upgrade happening. So just a really quick video, taking off the old vinyl and putting on the leather steering wheel. I watched a couple of YouTubes real quick. Underneath the steering wheel, there's these two holes and you've got a T30 security Torx, pops in. Oh, thanks for reminding me, Xtrail, disconnect the battery. Because also the airbag's in there, so let's not accidentally shoot off the airbag while we're dicking around. Battery disconnected. Let's make sure there's nothing left. Nothing left. Perfect. Okay. Torx, super tight. I don't think they've ever taken the steering wheel off before. All right. So you undo these two and then the airbag and center module should come out. T31 is out. T30 number 2 is out. Okay. That's the steering wheel center bit. I need a little tiny screwdriver for the airbag module. Let's hope this doesn't just explode on me. So it goes in at the end and then it pops up apparently. Can I see it? I'll put my glasses on. Oh, that's better. Goes in at the end and then pops up. There's a little tiny relief there and then you can just push the little tiny screwdriver through, if you can push the tiny screwdriver through. There we go, got it off. I've got one Phillips earth. And then I got one more little multi-pin. Done. That's your airbag, folks. That's out. Yeah, I know. So it's scary dealing with it, but you take the battery off and you're good. So then that's the module. That's it, right? Everything else is in there, so that's fine. So now I've got to take the center pin out, which I believe is a 19. Yes. Now I've got the car lined up center and the pin, there's a little line on the pin. I'll just bring you in a little bit closer to see that. So there's a line on the pin on your steering just there, and that should line up with the top of the actual steering wheel. So that's already nice and top. You can see it just there. We're just going to undo this and that whole thing will pop off. All right, we take the center pin out. I had to get Dave to help me because it was in tight. It was tight. Center pin bolt, which I promptly lost. No, found it. That's still lined up. That's off smooth. Beautiful. Oh, thank you. Dave just made me a quick shorty Anderson for the fridge. All right. New steering wheel, new to me, not quite new. Needs a bit of leather work here on the side, but it's a leather wrapped steering wheel and I don't have one. So it's new. And I'm, bang, beautiful. Back in there. Hey, this is funny. There's a little T mark here, and on the old steering wheel, there's a different T mark. What that means in Japanese, I should find out. If I find out before I post a video, put it in the comments or something. All right, let me put that back in. Sweet. That's on. Where's my bolt? Bolt back on, and I'll put it on tight as I can. It won't be as tight as it. Just make sure this is on. All right, it's mandatory when you turn 50, they have to make a noise every time you do something strenuous. Is that right, Dave?
Yep.
Mandatory.
Got to grunt.
Got to grunt every single time.
Sitting down,
I don't think there's.
standing up.
I don't think you can do anything actually without grunting.
Especially sit down or stand up. Grunt.
100%. Okay, plugged, and my little. This is where the airbag goes off my face. In. No, beautiful. Nothing stopping it. Whoa. Ooh, that feels luxurious. Okay, so it's those. What I did notice, I didn't show you this at the beginning, but this one still has it in there. These little suckers just here, and I've got a little tiny screwdriver that I'm using. Where's the camera? Little tiny one of these. And then you just gotta find that little slot and then you pop them out. Simple. Then inside is where, won't be able to see it, that hole there is where that Torx 30 goes. Back on the tripods. All right, so Torx 30 back in. And I can't believe that that's 2 jobs done in such quick succession today. What's the 3rd job? Oh, yes, right, the plug for the fridge. We're just getting ready for a trip to Kennedy Ranges over Easter 2025, and I lost the other bolt. Oh man. No, that can't be right. What the? Probably lost the other bolt. Ah, there it is. Okay, where was I? We're going to Kennedy Ranges for an Easter trip. And I've just upgraded the box in the back, doing some other things. And oh man, they just flick right out. Upgraded the box in the back. I've got to run power from the battery, from the alternator battery for the 2nd battery system. And I've run the cables already, but I haven't connected it up to the battery because I don't have those sexy crimpers and everything that Dave has. And that's why I've got a Dave. Okay, this side is really weird. It's not going in at all. In and in. I don't think I need to torque these to 600 foot-pounds or anything. Put the little covers back on. Now when I sell Dirk 2, I can sell it with leather-wrapped steering wheel. Luxury level. All right, let's reconnect the battery. That feels good already. Keep an eye on the steering wheel. If the airbag goes off, let me know. All right, battery back on. Horn's working. Job done, nice and quick. I'll probably watch some YouTubes about how to restore this little bit of leather, and then that should be good. That's the only little part there that's actually a little bit worn, but you know, it just feels a little bit nicer. It feels a bit more luxury. So yeah, thanks for coming, and we'll see you soon.